A toilet must sit perfectly level and immobile after installation to prevent wax ring failure, water leaks, and floor damage. When a toilet rocks or tilts even slightly, the wax ring compresses unevenly, which causes it to fail sooner than designed and allows sewer gases and water to escape. Start by placing the toilet bowl onto the flange and rocking it gently in all directions to detect any movement before tightening bolts. If you find rocking, use thin plastic shims at the base, only in the gaps, until the bowl sits square and level, then trim shims flush with the porcelain using a sharp utility knife so they are not visible. For a more permanent finish, set the trimmed shim locations into a high-strength, non-shrinking grout applied only to the floor perimeter to lock the bowl without interfering with the wax ring or the closet bolts. Tighten the closet bolts evenly and incrementally in a crisscross manner to compress the wax ring uniformly and avoid over-tightening, which can crack the porcelain. Stop when the bowl contacts the floor without gaps. Finally, run a small bead of silicone caulk around the base on the outside edge, only to improve appearance and resist surface water while still leaving the bolts accessible if the toilet must be removed later. Common mistakes include tightening bolts fully before checking for level, which can trap a tilted bowl and ruin the wax seal, so always test for rocking first and tighten slowly while rechecking level. Another frequent issue is over-reliance on thick shims under the flange area, which compress or absorb moisture over time, so use stable plastic shims placed at the bowl perimeter and set them into grout for permanence. People also apply caulk all the way around the base, sealing the bowl to the floor, which hides leaks and makes future removal difficult, so run the silicone only on the outside edge of the base so water sheds, but the bowl remains. Serviceable. At bighomeprojects.com, we connect homeowners with local contractors and make it easy for contractors to find work and showcase past projects. We also host an active discussion community where members share tips, ask questions, and troubleshoot installation details together.